But Mike, while you're here and while we still have some more time on the show, you've spoken about the United South Africa Coalition. This is an organization that's collating voices inside and outside South Africa about what's going on there. So if you could please speak a little about them.
Certainly. USAC, or the United South Africa Coalition, as you have just pointed out, Jared, is collating witness statements primarily of people who have been attacked, wronged, or families thereof, obviously, in case of victims, of all the different experiences of those who have been affected by what's happening in South Africa, both obviously internally and those who obviously have left the country. They have they believe that they are still working on that. I'm only very fringely involved in that organization, as I already have a lot on the plate, obviously, and don't want to overstretch myself too much. But I am aware of the work that they're doing, and I believe that they're also using that information when they have finished collating it to take that to officials, government officials, American government officials. I think Congress is what it's called, and to raise the point of saying this is what is happening there. We need to action some kind of help. So they are a unifying voice for the various different small voices of all the different things that are going on in this multifaceted problem that's facing the white people in South Africa.
Right. Our very professional, very astute moderator, Syrup, has put their link in the chat. From what I saw on their website, they're also helping people to apply for visa status in other countries. Although to the super chat before, I think a lot of the people in South Africa feel that they have been there for some of their families for hundreds and hundreds of years and have built that land. And there's a feeling like this is my land and I'm going to make a stake on that. I can understand that. But not for us to judge. We're not in that situation. It's a very complex situation. For those who do feel they want out, there is a visa application program on that website. And I know there's also a petition to get more governments around the world to recognize this as a genocide. So speaking of that, Mike, if you could tell us a little more about the land grabbing that's going on now. We're hearing more and more about this, and